Do you guys hear this? Yeah, do you hear that gangster music? Nah, we don't do gangster. He like drove over there and purposely turned up his radio so that folk like me and these old folk over here can hear his gangster. Ain't nobody want to hear that. I don't. They want to hear Britney and Janet and shit. Oh my god, I really don't have any gas. Like, his music is like echoing over here. Those poor old people right there are gonna like fall over because of how loud it is. Okay, you don't look at me, really. Okay. So now I have to try to figure out where I'm gonna put the camera so you guys can see all of my action. See, can you guys still kind of hear the gangster? It's disgusting. Anyway, look at the car. I rinsed it off. It's all nice and clean. Now I gotta dry it, but let's see here. I gotta make sure, make sure I have my keys, because last time the car was supposed to be unlocked, but it was still on, and freaking it locked me out, and I had to literally leave the gas station to go to my house to climb in the bathroom window to get to my emergency key. Really, I don't have to dry off the rest of the car, only the windows. Because what I'll do is I'll clean off the windows, because it's got all this extra water on it, with the clean towel, and then I'll go over it again with another clean towel and the Windex. Yeah. And I know it's gonna like rain tomorrow or whatever, but at least I got most of the snow dirt off here, because all that dirt was caked on, and I don't like that. See these old people over there washing their car too? If old folk out here doing it, I can do it. Yeah. Now, of course, if I'm like this with my car, with my van, I'll definitely be like this with my car. Oh, I'll probably be out here washing it every day. I just like to take care of what I have. I mean, when I have time to take care of it, I'll, come out here and wash it. And, I don't want to be driving around in a freaking dirty ass car all day, It's just I haven't washed it in the last few days because it's been just, rain and snow, and there's no point in washing it when it's like that, because it's just going to get towed up again. Yeah, I still got that nasty cough. But it's slowly going away, so It's okay. Okay. Trying to figure out where to set the cam this time. Guys, hold on just a sec. I have to clean the windshield up here. And that's crazy. Those old people got their car wiped. Well, I guess there was 2 of them, so yeah. That's why they got done so quick. Set the camera right here. Let's go watch me clean the windshield real fast. Whew. See, and I have to, clean it up a little bit in here, at least vacuum it, because, look, so it's just crumbs everywhere. I can't take it. I have to clean it up. Okay, so now that I wipe that, I go back over it with my glass cleaner. And make sure I shine up the windows good. Okay. He's like, oh yeah, look at my little SUV and my gangster music. Well, I have a soccer mom band, but I can still play gangster music anytime I feel like it too. Not the only one who could play gangster. Not that I really have gangster music available, but yeah. I have like one song that could possibly be considered gangster. Or gangsta. I'm saying it like white boy. Gangster. Oh yeah. Okay. Like that. See, I don't even have to wipe the rest of the car with the towel unless I find a spot that I missed when I was brushing it. I gotta close the door on you guys for a moment. Hold on. There we go. Okay. Alright, so the outside is pretty much done. Clean a little bit more of this windshield up here. This $3 sub thing sounds really good right now. I really want to go get one. Hold on, I gotta clean this side real quick. I know, I'm on the side. You guys can't hear me though. Oh, gotta clean it up real quick. Okay. Alrighty. Okay, now take these floor rugs out. All this chain's lying on the floor. Like I'm rich over here. Wish I was. Just for a minute. Okay. Whew. Should have brought a trash bag, but there's a trash can right over there, so. These CDs up here become flying out if I make a fast turn or something. Should be scaring me. Alright, my pins. All I gotta really do in here is vacuum and throw away some of this trash. Put some Armor All on the dashboard. Oh yeah, tissue, that's gonna save my life right now. Okay. Tissue. What is all this shit? You know, clean up these crumbs a little bit. Eyes will be good. I did miss a few spots, but since it's gonna rain tomorrow, oh well. They say it's like a slight chance for rain, but every time it's a slight chance, it rains enough to finish your car after you clean it. So that's pretty much what that is. Alright, so put this cord in here. Get rid of this box. That down there. This drawer over here. Let me show you guys. This drawer down here is like basically where I hold all my sprays and my lotions and extra pins and all that stuff. So that when I'm in the car, I have plenty of spray. Excuse me, sorry about that. But I have plenty of spray. That I can use. Or when I'm about to come into work, I just quickly spray myself and be like, oh yeah. So, that's what that is. Alright, so, put those in there. Put my scraper back underneath the seat back. Put my McDonald's hat in my little cabinets. Now all I gotta do is vacuum. Especially this little compartment right here. Oh my god. I don't even know how a bunch of crumbs got in there. Put the store key back on my keychain where it belongs. Oh my god, that was freaky. Some freak came up beside you. See, that's how you get killed. I don't know if he is on the camera, but yeah, he just came riding up beside me. You know, me not paying attention. Could have got snatched up. Yeah. There. Ew, I can't believe how nasty it is in this thing. What time is it? Oh. Dang, almost 1 already? Shit. I want to go to work. Okay, now I gotta find a towel in the back because I don't want to use this towel that I use for the windows to wipe off this thing up here. Huh. Well, I guess I'm gonna use this to wipe this out real quick. Alright, you guys. Well, I feel like I'm babbling now. So I'm going to go ahead and finish cleaning out my car and turn on some real music. And go vacuum and everything. And then if I decide to go to Subway, I'll bring you guys with me. But pretty much I'll do another video before I head off to work. So, alright, you guys. Stay tuned if you still feel like watching. And I'll see you soon. Holla back.